Let the band play. Let the band play.
Yeah. It's dog. She a good girl, but she a bad bitch. Ran up her chick, bought some new ass and titties. I ran on my chick, nigga, and I kept on flipping. I got 2 cars in 10 different cities. It's a new year, so I got rid of all the old shit. Even got rid of all my old bitches. It's a new year, so I'm letting all you fuck niggas know if you ain't really with me, then you can get it. The Maybach truck or the Lambo truck or the double R truck, I'm having decisions. But I don't give a fuck about none of this shit, though. Nah. Real nigga from the get-go. Yeah. We used to sleep with the cockroaches at night. Damn. Now look at my wrist, though. I'm a fair nigga, I am. But baby, I'm sorry, I'm hard on a bitch, though.
Yeah, look at my wrist, so I shine and ball like a motherfucking disco. Diamonds